Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Anjali Arts. So in today's art channel we are going to make a simple watercolor background and we are going to write a message over it with stamping. I will be using my stamps over the watercolor. These days I'm loving to use my stamps, so I'm trying to use my stamps in various ways and various techniques so that I can show you how many ways are there to use a simple stamp. So here I have used two color shades. I have used my watercolors. Now I am going to stamp it. Remember, you have to let your watercolor paste dry before using anything over it. For the border I have taken a border stamps. Now I am going to stamp a message. Together is a beautiful place to be. Outline your message and your page is ready. Using this small butterfly cutout to enhance the look. You can use anything, you can even draw, it's totally optional, or you can skip it. Put some golden colors on the page and the page is ready.